Hi guys, welcome back to Latoya Designs and Decor. So today I'm doing 3 small fall decor pieces that involves pumpkins. I love these pieces because of course the season is changing, so I get so excited about it now. And I hope you do too. Also, I did some traditional colors and then I did some that are actually neutral because that's what's in my home, but I wanted to show some traditional colors because that's what fall is that red. I mean, not red. Well, yeah, red, orange, and green, and that white. So that's what I did, guys. I went to the Dollar Tree and Ikea for these materials, so it didn't cost me much. And I had some things lying around the house that I also incorporated into this. But before we get into the DIYs, I want to welcome all that are new and those who are returning. Thanks for coming back. But if you are new, I would love to have you part of this DIY family here, where you can catch a lot of home decor pieces, furniture flips, and organization. I do videos or upload videos every week for you guys, Tuesdays mostly. So you can turn your notifications, on for that. You can also catch me on Instagram at Latoya Designs and Decor, where you can find a lot of behind the scenes and what I'm doing prior to YouTube and other little decor things that I might do or hacks for you all. So catch me there and also follow me. So guys, let's get into this DIY. So guys, I hope you enjoyed those DIYs. I love those pieces. I hope you love them too. I showed you which one was my favorite, and let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like and share, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.